to me. Hello, are you listening to me?
My bad. I'm supposed to meet up with my boys later on tonight.
Oh yeah, so who you texting? You stay on the phone texting somebody, always. You're always out somewhere. It's like you don't have time for me. Oh, you don't want to answer me? Okay, cool. You know what? I'm really tired of this.
Don't you talk about nobody, don't you talk about yourself, don't you talk about no bitch, don't you talk about nothing else but no. All we do is no talking.
And so I creep, yeah, I got somebody good, but I'm looking for a freak. She ain't gotta be unique, she ain't gotta be sweet. I'm cool with a little cool chick who crazy in the sheets. We talk more than we fight, we wrong more than we right. Them same reasons be the main reasons me and Shorty so tight. Expect nothing, don't sweat nothing. Ain't right, but regret nothing. We all playing this game. Ain't no redos or reset buttons. We side pieces. Catching feelings ain't legit. Let's not defeat the purpose. End up in the same shit. Ain't no lying about it. Is she mine? Doubt it. We just creeping. We ain't trying to get no time out it. This just our little secret. That's how we gotta keep it. We ain't together, nothing extra, that was our agreement. Hey, we cool how we is. Keep it on the hush, ain't nobody gotta know. This just between us.
Don't you talk about nobody, don't you talk about yourself, don't you talk about no bitch, don't you talk about nothing else but no. All we do is no talking.
She know I can't spend no time with her, but when we talk I share my mind with her. I take her places that most niggas don't go. I can't lie, she kept it realer than most niggas I know. Lil' ride or die, she a ride it out. Late night, her crib just hiding out. That head right, she dead right. Make a nigga wanna creep through every night. She a bad girl, but I like it. She like, fuck you niggas. You got a girl at home, but you here with me. I can't trust you niggas. But she wrong too. You gotta feel both of us. Cause if my girl knew, she'd wanna kill both of us. Too real with a high deal with her. See, a lot of y'all can't. I ain't lying about nothing. Shit, I ain't acting like nothing we ain't. No, I don't be leading on. Never treat her wrong. Some call it cheating, but to each his own. Even though a nigga might need the wrong, I never let it break up a decent home. I never let my main chick sleep alone. Never let a side piece hit the phone. Get in and out, I be getting gone. Creeping on, just creeping on.
Don't you talk about nobody, don't you talk about yourself, don't you talk about no bitch, don't you talk about nothing else but no. All we do is no talking.
Creeping out, no Instagram, no tweeting out, no meeting out or speaking about the little shit that we do. Ain't nothing but a game, and the shit don't change. So quit with the nicknames, that ain't my aim. I got that, I don't need to. You know what's up, I don't need you. If it sound mean, I don't mean to. I'm just not the one to cling to. And if I get caught, I can ruin this too. How will my girl feel if she could be doing this too? And that's my guilty conscience slowly coming in. I had the towel for a while, I just ain't throw it in. Cause I was creeping, I was sneaking when I needed to. I'm just a nigga tryna have his cake and eat it too. It's true, I know I'm wrong, so be it, but the sex is convenient. If it ain't love, I don't say it unless I'ma mean it. What goes around comes around, what we all hate. Cause karma is a bitch that we all date. Word up, word up, word up, word up. Let it rock, let it rock, let it rock, let it rock, let it rock.
Save money and never overpay. Visit TrueCard.
Hello?
So what you end up doing?
Just left the hotel with old girl I was telling you about.
Where you headed now?
Finna get up with wifey.
Oh, well, as long as you start talking.